how to reference with APA style using Word. So today we want to learn how to reference with APA style using Word. So let's assume we are in Word. You can see the reference tab. So we just come under reference and select reference. You can see citation. You can see the default style is already APA. There are different styles you can use. You can use the Chicago, GB7714, GOST, NIPSOL, GOST title, Harvard, Anglia. So we select the one we want to use, and here we need the APA style. So let's assume all these sentences was gotten from a particular journal written by Johnson. Okay. So how do we cite this work? How do we cite the work and then extract the reference in APA style? So what we'll just do is we'll put where we want to cite, where we want to put the author's name, which is here, and then we'll click on insert citation. We add new source. So depending on the number of authors, so come to edit, you can see you can add as many names as possible. So the name of the author is Johnson Adebowale Paul. So that is the name of the author. Just add it, straightforward. Okay, automatically it comes out here. So this is a journal article. We have opportunity to select whichever sources these documents were gotten from. Be it journal article, conference proceedings, report, website, document, so as many as it is. So let's see, the title of the work is what? Internet and the activities of man. Okay, what is the journal name? Computer Science Journal. Let's say this book was written in 2020 and it was in 320 page to 322 of Computer Science Journal. Now click on OK. Automatically we can see it has what? Reference the author, which is what? Johnson 2020. And that's how we continue to do it. As many, it's very easy when we do it this way, because automatically we will just, instead of having to copy the references from different works, automatically it's already saved in the work. Let's come here. Let's assume all this one was extracted from the work of Buhari 2015. So what we do here, we just add with reference the author, add new source. Let's say Buhari, last name Buhari. Okay, let's say the author's last name is what? Buhari. His first name is Moses. His middle name is what? Ajadi. Then add. Let's assume if there are two authors, let's assume it is written by 2 or 3 authors. Demola, John, Duke. Just you can add it as many authors as possible. Keep adding. Okay. The book activities of man on the internet. Activities of man on the internet. Journal name Science Journal. Okay, here let's say it's 2015. Let's say page 110 to 121. Okay, you can see Buhari and Ebola 2015 is as simple, straightforward. The beauty of it is when we want to reference this work, we want to extract the references, just come. Let's say we want to place the reference here. said this is where we need the reference. I want to paste it. You just come to bibliography. Can we see it? Bibliography. Select it. Just select whichever way you want it to look at it. We have our reference. You can see it's automatically help you to arrange it as the way you need it, the way it's supposed to look, and you have the option of editing it depending on how you want it to also look. But this is perfect, straightforward, and here we are. We have our references. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on www.solutionwheels.com. Thank you.